These are 12 signs that you are dating or you are married to someone that is not mature. So if you are still single and you are noticing this sign in your partner, please know it that this person is not matured. This person still needs a little training and counseling. If you are married already, these are signs that shows that your partner is not matured. Number one sign is they don't make decision on their own. Sign of immaturity. If someone is matured, they take responsibility. They take decision on their own. But since they are not matured, they don't take decision. They want people outside to determine to them what they will do. Number two is emotional instability. These kind of people are always aggressive. Today, they will love you with passion. Tomorrow, they will hurt you with passion. They are going to abuse you, you know, insult the hell out of you. So these are the kind of partner, that are not matured. Another one is they hit their partner. They abuse their partner. Some men abuse their wife. They hit their wife. This is sign of immature. You are not matured enough as a man. And as a woman, you hit your partner because when we are talking about abuse in relationship or marriage, so many people thought that it's only the women that are victims. No, so many men are also victims. So many men are being beaten up by their wife. So these are signs of immature. You as a lady, if you hit your partner, you are not mature. So another one is jealousy. Jealousy. Some people will say jealousy is a kind of love. Let me tell you, jealousy is not love. Some people have killed their partner due to jealousy. You are not matured. If you are matured, you will support your partner instead of being jealous of what they achieve. Okay? They will jealous you. They will question every of your movement. They don't trust you. Lack of trust. They will jealous you, jealous your beauty, jealous your friends, jealous everything about you instead of them to celebrate you. Another one is they jump into conclusion. These kind of people, they don't reason things. They don't think. You're a woman, somebody will tell you, I saw your husband somewhere or I saw your fiancé somewhere. Immediately you have jumped into conclusion. You don't know who is with your partner. You don't know whether what the person is telling you is truth. You don't investigate. You don't wait. You don't ask questions. All you know is you jump into conclusion. This is another sign of not being matured. Another one is they don't plan for future. These people that are not matured, they are like a child. When you give a child something or when a child see you with something, that child will make sure that you finish that thing immediately. But a matured person will say, wait, let's eat this one and still keep this one for tomorrow. So they don't plan for future. They don't reserve for future. They don't invest for future. Okay? In fact, they want to finish it now. If you're a woman, you don't know how to save, you don't know how to invest, you don't know how to, reserve for tomorrow, for, future. You are not matured. If you're a man, all you can do is to spend, to lavish money on the women, all you know is to lavish money to drink with all the money you have made for the whole day. You are not matured. Okay? Another one is they fear commitment. They fear their responsibility. Because of the responsibility they are going to see inside that relationship, they don't want to be committed to that relationship. They'll run away. Even when the woman is pregnant for you, and you know that you are the father of that child that woman is carrying, you deny your responsibility, you deny your own child because of what? Fear of being committed is very, very wrong. When you see this kind of people, they are not matured. Another one is they contact family. They contact family before they will do things. They contact their parents thinking that they are still in their parents' house. No, when a man will marry, he will leave his father and mother and cleave to his wife. So this kind of men that still go back telling their mother or telling their parents, they are not matured. You expose your family instead of protecting your family. Instead of protecting your wife, instead of protecting your children, you expose your wife, you expose your husband, to family. These are signs of immaturity. You are not matured. Another one is they don't listen. They don't want correction and they don't want advice. These kind of people, when you are telling them something here, it go out from the other side because they don't want it. They are kind of people that you cannot control. You cannot tell them the truth. When you tell them the truth, you have become their enemy. They hate advice. And I don't know, if you refuse advice, how will you learn? If you refuse correction, how will you learn things? No. Please, this is sign of immature. If you see that partner that cannot learn, that cannot take advice, that cannot listen to you, this kind of people are not matured. Okay? Another one is they are always selfish. They always want you to pamper them. They always want you to love them. You are the only one that will be telling them you love them. You are the only one that will be contributing in that relationship. You are the only one that will, show commitment. In fact, it will be as if you are the only person in that relationship. You are there to just give them. They are selfish. They cannot give you back. They cannot love you back. They cannot contribute in your life, but they always want you to contribute in their life. This is sign of immaturity, because if you are matured, you're supposed to know that relationship is like transaction. When I deposit, I withdraw. So you don't wait for me to be depositing every day. There is time that I will withdraw also. Okay, like somebody that deposits money, there will be a time for withdrawal. So when I give you, sometimes you give me back. All right. Another one is they deny sex. They deny sex. They reject sex. They deny food. They reject food. All these kind of things. They deny and they reject. When they are angry, their partner will not come close to them. Even when you apologize to them, please forgive me, let's waive all these things. No. I'm not saying that it's not good for you to be angry when your partner offends you. But when they offend you and come to you to ask you for forgiveness, after forgiving them, don't deprive them of their responsibility. Allow them, be free. When you forgive, forget. Okay, I know it's not easy, depending the kind of offense, but please learn how to, learn how to accept your responsibility. Don't reject food. Don't reject sex. Don't deny food. Some men, when their wife offend them, they cannot give their wife money for food for that day. Or when their husband offend them, they cannot give their husband. Some women, they cannot give their husband food for that day because the man offended her. Okay, when their husband offend them, they cannot give their body to their husband because the man offended her. Or when their wife offend him, he will not allow his wife to have access to him because the wife offended him. So now, the last but not the least is they always criticize opposite sex. Some women, they keep saying all men are the same, but that's not true. Some men, they keep saying all women are the same, but that's not truth. Please, if you see this kind of people criticizing opposite sex, they are not matured. Maybe it's because of the kind of people they have met before. That's why they are saying so. They have not seen a responsible guy. They have not seen a responsible woman. So that is why they say so. All men are not the same and all women are not the same. Stop criticizing women. Stop criticizing men. So if you are still criticizing men or still criticizing women, you are not matured enough. So thank you for watching. I still remain your sister, the real Esther Ginika, teaching out of experience. God bless you.